made it to Newport. Woo! This place looks so awesome. Trying to go to the fuel dock and fill up on water because we only have less than 15 gallons in there. Little pirate ship over there. This place is beautiful though. Like, and I thought Block Island was full of boats, but now looky here, this place is full of boats. So this is where all the boats came. Where's the fuel dock?
Where the big giant blue boat is.
Where the big giant blue boat is. Yeah, I guess so. Woo, we made it.
Is he about to sail right into that?
That boat just looks like it was about to sail right
Well, it's actually about to hit that.
into that thing. I don't know, where does it...
Right back over here.
Where was it that it said that the fuel dock's at?
It's right there.
So it is right behind that big blue
It's right behind the big boat, right in front of that.
sailboat. Hi guys! That's a big old dinghy!
You know they're gonna make fun of you for that.
I hope so. It's a big dinghy. They're gonna
You
be
think I
like,
can fit in there?
yeah,
Well, screw you.
that's a cute little sailboat.
I mean, I ain't that cool, right?
Yes, you are.
Where's like,
And you're gonna go in from this side.
dude, Katrina, if I hit that boat.
I'll get ready to throw my lines out. And this giant boat back behind us at the fuel dock. It's huge. It's very pretty. And then over here, you can bring your boat out if you want to, which we do need to get a bottom job at some point, but not right now. It's filling up with water! That thing's about to be full. Anchor dropping down. Hit the anchor remote. I've never made popcorn on the stove before, but I've been craving popcorn like crazy. I really love popcorn, and we haven't had it in forever. And so Tim got these kernels, and I read the instructions, and it said to put enough oil in the bottom of the heavy saucepan to fill a depth of 1/8 an inch, and heat to medium high, and then throw one kernel in to see if it's ready. And I did this earlier, and I lost the popcorn because it popped right out, and I don't know where it went. And so, we're going to see what happens to this one. That might be too high. It doesn't seem to be working. Let's try another. That might have been a bad kernel. Bad kernel. Alright. It's too hot, probably. Do you think it's too hot?
I'm trying to mess up your video. The one thing that you're not understanding is that oil is just like any other type of food. You're fixing to burn that oil. So if you want to cook that popcorn, you got to put all that popcorn in there now.
But it's making it black. It's not popping it. Oh, look, that one only did a
You have to
little.
realize, yes, babe, it's the amount of oil that you have on it.
Oh, it told me to do a little. Those kernels are bad.
They're not bad.
Those are bad kernels. I'm gonna have to start over.
You need to get that stuff out of there. You're burning the oil.
Okay. I'll
Like
let
every
it.
2 days
I'll let
we-
it cool down.
Every 2 to 3 days, we had to drain the oil. No, you don't let it cool down. You hurry up and cook it before that oil burns. 'Cause you
Yeah,
pull
but
it
it's
down.
already made these ones black.
Are you gonna pour out the oil?
No.
Okay. Take out those kernels.
Okay.
Put one in there to check it.
I never cooked popcorn before. Ouch!
Okay. If it works,
It popped. Okay.
then I'm all in.
And then it says to cover it.
Yeah, you better hurry up and cover it because they will start going everywhere.
Hot.
What are you gonna cover it with?
That pot. That saucepan.
Hurry up.
I'm trying.
I'm good. More.
What?
More.
They're all.
Trina?
They don't want to come out of the bag. Ow. Okay. Right.
Should I
that
do it?
much? I don't know. Should I do it? Oh, that's it. Should I take that one out though?
Which one?
The one that was in there.
Should have done that earlier.
Do I need to turn off the water now? Or turn off the heat now? Cover. After one kernel dropped into hot oil pops, add enough popcorn, cover the bottom of the pan with a single layer. Cover and shake until completely popped.
They're not hot enough.
Oh, that popcorn smells so good.
Yeah, it's not hot enough though.
That's enough. That's a layer. One layer though, right?
Should have been another one. So what I needed to do is I needed to shake it. Yeah. See, there's way too much oil in there. What are you gonna do with all that oil once this all pops? You think it's just gonna disappear?
I'll put some more popcorn in. Why did I put like a whole bunch in there? Not yet, right?
It's not hot enough.
Oh,
There it goes.
we're about to start popping. Oh my gosh, there they go. Do you smell it? I'm so excited. I haven't had popcorn in forever. There they are. Uh-oh, I think I just knocked it out.
As long as you don't knock out grease, you're fine.
That's scary. Like, they're hitting this thing like bullets. Firecracker, maybe?
I'm shaking it so it doesn't burn.
Should I look at it? Oh my gosh, babe. They're going crazy in there. I can't contain them. Do I turn it down? Maybe I should turn it off. I turned it
All
off.
the pressure you can.
I turned it off. They're still blowing done this before. This is gonna be too much. It's supposed to make it. I can't carry the tape. What do I do? I can't keep him in there.
I'm right here. We put it in the bucket.
I put too much kernels. I put too many.
Trina.
Babe, it says to keep shaking until they're all popped. They're not all popped.
Don't pick that lid up. You bring him over here. Hold it tight down.
Oh my gosh. Good thing I turned off the.
I'm about to finish it. Okay.
I don't want the
Don't
oil.
pour it. Now lift your lid up. So when it falls into somewhere. Don't touch me with that hook. Don't touch. Hold this up. Right here.
Okay.
No, don't. Trina. Hold still. Don't move.
Do you think he's gonna make that much?
No.
I didn't either.
Now. Go. All this one. Why?
Arr. Let me try some. Can you believe that corn makes this? Man, I could make popcorn for a living. Did you know they were up here too?